This is a final video to fix Protect GameGuard causing problems on Windows. And if your games keep crashing or won't launch, this video will solve it. Are you facing the problem where GameGuard blocks games from starting, freezes your PC, or shows errors even though your system meets the requirements? This usually happens because of corrupted GameGuard files, antivirus conflicts, or missing permissions that prevent the software from running properly. Most solutions on YouTube or social media are complicated, confusing, and hard to follow, and they often fail. That is why Rexis is sharing a secret easy trick that quickly fixes GameGuard issues and lets your games launch smoothly. This simple method works fast, stays safe, and ensures you can play without interruptions or crashes. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix Protect GameGuard causing problems on Windows, comment below and tell Rexis.